So we are discussing about explicit intent. On the explicit intent, like moving from one page to other page, and that we done. So now we're supposed to do here data transfer from one activity to other activity. How to pass the data between the activities, that now we will concept it here. So for that, first here now in XML, see here before this button. So this is the linear layout only, right? So here I'll take one or two edit text. So whatever the data we are collecting from the user side, so that how we will transfer, so that we will see here. So for that here now, I'm taking that edit text. So in edit text, match parent, wrap content, and some ID. I'll give an ID. So that ID is nothing but here. So name. Done. So this is the first. Next here, one more edit text. So this edit text match parent, wrap content. And I'll give ID for this. That is the mobile. So name and mobile, I want to transfer like this, right? And now we will see here. So here I want to pass the data to the next level, right? How to pass that here? So to transfer the data here, simply we will add few lines here in between of the intent code. So intent dot, so put extra. So here we have to pass key comma values. So key and values. So this is for your understandable. I'm writing that key comma values. But here now actual subject we will write here. So next here intent dot. So intent dot put extra. So here now first I'll write the key. Key is the first name, right? Name. So where can I get that name? Already we mapped that in XML, right? So from the XML side, I want to get that. So that is binding dot name dot. So first I want to get the text, right? Name dot text, get text. Text that whatever I'm getting, that I'm converting into the string. So now similar intent dot put extra. So the next one, which is mobile. So here that is binding dot. So mobile dot text. So we want to get the text from the mobile side, right? Text and dot toString. So here we given both we added here, right? We are transferring data from here to the next activity. Means here only one level we can transfer. So that is from main activity to the next activity only we will transfer this data, right? Now here, so in a second activity here, what we will do? So now I want to get the data here. So to get the data here now, where data intent. So just I'm declaring that is the like data intent. So that is the intent. So we are getting the data. So that is intent, means get intent. Here get and set both are same. That's the reason directly it is intent. Right. Now here within this, now what we will write here is that is a var s1. So like I created one value because we are getting that value we will update. So that is data intent dot. So get string extra. So here we used to write the whatever the key we've written there, that we have to write. So var s2 equal to data intent dot. So data intent dot get string extra. So here means whatever the keys we are passing there, that we have to better copy paste, because that is a case sensitive. Even if it is case sensitive, it won't work. Means that's the reason. Just see here name. So here it is the name, and the next it is mobile. So better you can copy paste. Right here I have copied pasted. Right now here I'll write one toast to check that. So toast dot, so make text. So first one this at the rate second. So here now I want to display what is their data, that is s1 plus s2. Then toast dot length long, finally dot show. Right. Now I'll run first here. First, we will see one level of data transferring is happening or not. If it is working in a one level, so the next level we will just I'm connecting my mobile. So wait, it's not connecting. Just yeah, disconnected. Now I'm running this. First, we will see this output means from first activity to second activity, the data is transferring or not. So meanwhile, I'll open the visor. So let's run this. Once it is done, we will see them. Wait, once it is done, we will see this output. Then we can transfer to the next step. Yeah, it is running all. It's launching. We will see this. Yeah, it is launched. Now we will see. See, now name I'm passing Raj and mobile number, some random number I'm passing here. Now I'm clicking on move to second. See in a toast. So it is coming null and null. Why it is coming null and null? We are already passing the data here. So intended put extra. So here it's string extra. By clicking the button only, we are passing the data, right? Yeah. The name and mobile data get intent extra. It's clear. Then what is the issue here? So coding wise, nothing is here. Just I'm checking here why this is here. So set content field, if it is correct. Event toast is also fine. Content dot this is maybe this is intent. Yeah, this is the one wrong. It is small I. A capital I has came. That's the reason it's showing error. Now that data will come here. Now we will see. Yeah, now it is done. So now here, so I'm typing something. Now we will check here in next class. See here. Now we are getting this data. So now we are getting this data, right? So now what is our intention? Like I want to pass the same data from second page to third page, right? So here again, that is whatever we have written here, intent dot put extra. Again, I'm writing here put extra. Here, this we will write. So data, I want to transfer. This is the with name of data. Right here, already the S1 and S2 both are here. Both I can pass in a single S1, comma S2. Right, I want to pass to the next. Done. So this is fine. Only one line, these two lines is fine. So to access the data in next page. So in a third activity, right? So in a third.kt, here I'll write this. So here instead of this, what is the key we changed it there? That is the data. Right, now we will write here toast. So toast dot. So toast dot make text. So toast dot make text. So here this at the rate third. So then here I'll write S1. Right, then toast dot length long. Finally dot show. Done. Now I'm running this. We will see here now. It is installing. We will see this launching. Right. Now here, whatever the data here we are passing, that should go to third page, right? Second to third, right? Here, second, toast has disappeared. Now I'm moving to third page. See, the data is passing. Like, means using an intent, we can pass the data, but 1 to 1. Like I'm giving 10 rupees to you. You can give 10 rupees to someone. Like step by step, step by step, step by step. You have to move step by step. Then only that data can be transferred. So this is in a explicit intent. So there are two concepts we discussed. One is moving from one page to other page, and the next is the handling the data, like between like transferring the data between different activities. So those two we have done here. Right. So the next step here. So we have to discuss about the next step is the activity life cycle. Means like here we are creating multiple activities. Like here, see in this we have three activities. Three activities means so total three classes we created, right? So that we have to discuss here. So that is for that here. So I'm writing the activity life cycle. So I've created activity life. So click on finish. Now this, while loading this project here, now we can see that how to discuss the like what is the life cycle methods, how that can be there. So that diagram we will see. So for that, let me open that particular page. So life cycle. So this life cycle is even if it is important for interview point of view also because they will ask that. So even initial discussion, we already discussed about activity life cycle has total 7 methods like that we discussed, right? So that is the diagram wise we will discuss. So see, this is the life cycle diagram. So this life cycle has total here 7 methods: on create, on start, on resume, on pause, on stop, on destroy. Means this will continue like, see, when first application is launching, it will call on create, then on start. So in on start, whatever the components we are designing in a UI, that will map to that. Then it comes to on resume. Now after on resume, it is ready to interact with the user. Then after here, it is on pause. So in on pause, like any small disturbance will come, that will come to on pause. Or if I press manually back button, so that will come to on pause. Then on stop, automatically it comes to the on destroy and it will close the application. Otherwise, like while I'm watching the movie, I got one small message. So with small disturbance, it will come here and immediately it will start. In case of that message, I got a call. So that call here, it will come. The call will come here. Then after once close the call, it goes here and it will restart and it start raising. In normal case, it will close. Sometimes application may be crashed like because of the memory not sufficient. Such cases or internet is not there. So such cases it will be closed like. So this is the main and important. Like here it has total three stages. One is the visible stage, other is the visible and interaction. So visible and interaction will happen only in between of resume and pass. And visible stage is on resume to on pass, and complete life cycle is on create to on destroy. This is the complete life cycle. Right. So this we have now here in this here. Now we will create all the methods and we will see how those methods are executing. That we will discuss here now. Right. Total. What are the first method? As of today, we deal only with the first method. Right now for the next two methods here we will add here. So that we have to create here like on start on create. We will create with the different methods. So that is on start. Here code automatically will generate here. So that is the on start. The on start method has created. Next on resume. Right. Next on pass. On pass. Right on pass. Next on stop. Next on destroy and on restart. On destroy. So on destroy. Right. Next on restart. This is the last. Right. So total 7. So in every place I'll write a toast, then we will run. So how this is executing, we will see. So for that here now I'm writing the toast. So toast dot make text. They set the rate main activity. So here toast dot length long dot show done. So in which method we have that method, I'll write here. Right. So then I'll copy this toast and I'll paste in every method. So we will change that message part. Right in on resume. So last, there are two more methods. Last method on right. So we will change this. This is the on create. Here I'll change on create. This is on start. Here I'll change on start. This is on resume. On resume. So on pass. On pass. Right. On stop. On stop. On destroy. So on destroy. Done. Now I'm running this. We will see. So once it is launched, it will call on create, on start, and on resume. So then it is ready to interact with the user. Then from there, we will do some actions and we will see how the methods are executing that we will observe. Yeah, it is launching. Now we can see on the screen, toast will display. If something problem, we will wait by something wiser has stopped here. It install, see on create, on start, on resume. So it is done like this. Now just pressing back button. See, it goes to on pause, then on stop. So on display, because I have pressed manually, I have closed this application. Right, let me open this again. So it is in from starting, right? It is executing from the starting. Like any small disturbance will come. Like see here, instead of this, I'm pressing this home button, like this button I'm pressing. So on pause. Now it should be on pause, on stop, right? Again, I'm clicking this app. So it goes to restart, means it is a small disturbance, then start and resume, right? Now, I'm locking device. So I'm unlocking the device. See, it will on pause, on stop, and restart, and it is starting. Like means, even in YouTube also we can observe that when we are watching video, like suddenly your net is lost, it says that your internet has gone. So you are in offline, like that it will say immediately. So this using these kind of methods only will use, like when you are moving from that page to this page, that page, these all are very important. Like here, say for example, I'm editing the contact. So I have edited contact. I'm back to the contacts list page. When we are back to the contact list page, there it will say that like, okay, so you are in contacts page, like you can add this, like means update automatically, means that we have to do in on restart or on start page, we can refresh the list whatever the list, refresh the list of functionality said that we will do there. So like that, it will be main and important these methods. So this is about the activity lifecycle. Like similar in explicit intent, one more concept is there, that is a service lifecycle. So that service lifecycle we will see tomorrow. Then we will see the implicit intent. Right, till this we can practice that we will see in next.